Okay, so good morning to all of you. We have started this exercise 13b, and in this we have discussed till question number 10. Now we will start our discussion after question number 10. So let's discuss a question number 12. So in this it is given that in an isosceles triangle, so first we will draw an isosceles triangle. And we all know isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, so that is given as AB equal to AC is given. Okay. Then D is a point on BC produced. So if I produced this BC, okay, I am producing this BC till here, suppose. So D is a point on BC produced. We have to prove what we have to prove. AD square is equals to AC square plus BD into CD. Okay, this we have to prove. So what I am going to do, so we will join BD. First I will join AD. So I am joining this A with D. Then I will draw AE perpendicular to BC. So I am dropping one perpendicular from A to C, and that is AE. Okay. Now we will start our proof. So first what we need AD square. So this is our 90-degree angle. So in triangle AED, AD square is equals to how much? AE square plus ED square. Okay, this is our first equation. Then what we need? We need this AC square. So let's write AC. In triangle AEC, AC square is equals to AE square plus EC square. This is our second equation. Okay. So what I am going to do now, I am going to subtract these two equations. So this is minus, minus, minus. So these two will cancel. So what you will get? You will get AD square minus AC square equal to ED square minus EC square. Okay. Then I will take AC there. So AD square will be AC square plus ED square minus EC square. Okay. So now I have AD square, AC square. Now what I need? BD and CD. So let's see if we can make it. So let's use here A plus B into A minus B, ED minus EC and ED plus EC. Okay, what I have done, I have used here A square minus B square. So now when you see carefully, this whole is ED, this is ED, and till here it is EC. So when you subtract this portion, you are left with CD. Okay, and what we know, since triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, we know that triangle ABC is and AE is perpendicular to BC. So that means BE will be equal to EC. Okay, so I will substitute this EC with BE. So AD square is AC square plus CD into this EC will be substituted by BE. So this is ED plus BE. Then this is BE, this is BE, and this whole is ED. So it will give you how much? AC square plus CD into BD. Okay. So how we have proceeded? We need, first I have drop a perpendicular. Then what I need? AD square. So I have taken triangle AED. Then what I need? AC square. Then I have taken triangle AEC. Then I eliminate AE square by subtracting these two. Then I took AC square there. Then here I have used A square minus B square. Then we have analyzed this. ED minus EC will give you CD. And ABC was the isosceles triangle. So A is perpendicular to BC. So BE will be equal to EC. This side will be equal to this side. Then substituting EC by BE. So we got this value. Okay, in question number 13, it is given that AC is equals to AB and angle A is 90 degree. So we have to prove DC square minus BD square equal to 2AB into AD. So what we need DC square, so I will take in triangle ADC, DC square is AC square plus AD square. Okay. Then we know that AC equal to AB because we need here AB. So I substituted AB square, and this AD is AB plus BD. So AB plus BD whole square. Okay, then let's solve it. It is AB square plus A plus B whole square. We will use 2AB into BD plus BD square. So see, we got DC square, we got BD square. So I will shift this here. So it becomes BC square minus BD square equal to 2AB square plus 2AB into BD. Okay. AB square plus AB square is how much? 2AB square plus 2AB BD plus BD square. So from here I will take 2AB as common. So it becomes AB plus BD. And what is AB plus BD? AB plus BD is actually AD. So hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Then for question number 14, in a triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. So this figure I am making. So for the 14th question, in a triangle ABC, so this is triangle ABC, AB equal to AC and BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, AB is equals to AC is given and BD is perpendicular to AC. So what we have to prove? To prove BD square minus CD square equal to twice CD into AD. Okay, so with the help of this is perpendicular. So what we need? We need BD square and CD square. So BD square and CD square we can get from here. So in triangle ABD, AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. This is our first equation. We need BD, then we need CD. So in triangle BCD, BC square equal to how much? BD square plus CD square. This is second. So if what we know that AB equal to AC. So we will put AB equal to AC in first equation. So it becomes AC square equal to BD square plus AD square. Now what is AC is made up of? AD plus DC. So it is AD plus DC whole square. Then A plus B whole square. So this AD square cancel. When we shift the term CD square there, so this will give you CD into AD. Okay. Hence, so what we have done, first we have written these two expressions. Among this I have chosen this, then substituting AB by AC here, then AC was AD plus DC, then do the whole square, AD square cancel, then shift the terms accordingly, you will get the answer. Okay. Hence, okay. So this is the end of this chapter, Pythagoras theorem. In the next video, we will start with the new chapter.